Today we're making this umami mushroom toast. It's savoury, rich and ready in just 15 minutes. We are using a mix of shiitake and portobello mushrooms for depth and texture. Slice them nice and thick so they stay meaty once cooked. Heat a pan over a medium heat and add the rapeseed oil and dairy-free spread. Add fresh rosemary and thyme and let them gently infuse in the oil. Move them around the pan so the flavour really opens up. While that's happening, finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Add the garlic to the pan and let it sizzle just until fragrant. Now add the mushrooms. Give them a good stir and keep tossing regularly so they cook evenly and soak up all the flavour. A splash of soy sauce and balsamic vinegar brings that deep, savoury umami flavour. Let them cook for around 5 minutes until they soften and start to caramelise. Let everything reduce slightly, then remove the woody herbs. Toast your seeded sourdough and spread with a little dairy-free butter. Spoon the mushrooms generously over the top. Finish with thyme, salt, and cracked black pepper. And that's it. Simple, flavorful, plant-based comfort.